Hello, I'm Dr. Rizwana. I'm a general dental surgeon with 10 years of experience and I'm practicing at Jas Dental. Choosing the right toothbrush is a very important aspect to maintain a good oral health. Now, when you choose a toothbrush, you have to make sure that you will have a soft bristles. If you choose hard bristles, it may cause the teeth and the gums to recede down and may lead to sensitivity. Select a toothbrush head size which can easily fit into your mouth. At least it should cover 1 or 2 teeth at a time. Ideally, the brush head size can be around 1 inch long and half inch wide. And when you're choosing a brush for a kid, you need to make sure that bristles are very soft and the head is smaller so that it can easily fit into the small mouth for the kids. Another important point to be remembered is you need to change your toothbrush after every 3 months or whenever the bristles are frayed. And always replace your toothbrush after illness.